Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and it's today that I'm going to do the winner's drawing of the ephemera holder that I created during the June collaboration that I did together with Suzanne from Non-Stop Papercrafts. Sorry, I have to get this out of the way. Yeah, I didn't create two as I planned because I wanted to create one with my own papers and the other one with hers and also her freebies. But yeah, I got ill again. Had bladder infection, wrong meds, got worse, new meds. Because of those meds, I needed another meds. I had a whole bag full. I have spent 10 days having liquid meds. I finished last Sunday. So yeah, that's why I couldn't create anything else. But only this. And I didn't do a lot of videos. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, taking all the elements out, but this is what I created. Lots of things in here, in here, in here, and you can change this. I have to do a little bit of gluing on the wash here, I think. But you can change these because these are going to rip for sure, because when you're taking out stuff all the time, it's going to be ripped. You could also try and create a journal from this. That's an option too. If you put in new papers, that would be possible. And then we have these, they are tucked in underneath. I have a video where I show you the whole journal. This is all printed on fabric. This is the cover, closure. And I said I was going to give it away. Also because I felt a little bit bad that everybody jumped in this challenge and I didn't. I kind of let you down. So I thought, well, maybe I can give this to someone, and yeah, they can create a lot of things from all the elements inside and enjoy, enjoy the ephemera holder. So I'm going to do the spinning, and I'm using a comment picker. I am not able to select on the hashtag. So in this case, I am spinning, checking the comments, and if the hashtag is not in, I'm really sorry, but then you're not a winner. I don't know how to collect those names very quickly because it's taken me ages to write them down, put them in a wheel, and this way you can also see I'm doing an honest drawing. That's also very important to me. So yeah, let me switch over to my laptop, do the spinning, and after that you will see me back again. So we are here at the laptop. This is the link of my video. I can't use a hashtag in this one. I don't know why. I want to set this on 20 seconds. I have to resolve this sum. Then I can get the comments, 73. And then I go to here. And I can start. Yay! A little bit lower. So now you can see all the names. And if the hashtag is not used in a comment, then you're not a winner, as I explained before we did the drawing. But I can't select on hashtags. Oh! And the winner is Kaisa. I want to say Kaisa Crafts. Maybe that's right. I'm not sure. But you won. Yay! You won the journal. Yeah, she's Dutch, so that's why I'm so yeah. I have to check if the hashtag is there. Okay, I have to check under the video. Oh, well, it's the first one popping up. And as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see. Maybe you need to go a little bit like this. But this is her and this is the hashtag. So you won. Yay! Congratulations. Let me switch over to the desk and I will continue a little bit more about the July plans. So yes, we are back after the drawing, and I showed you the hashtag that the winner used. Kaisa. I don't know how to pronounce that. That's really, really so bad because it's probably a Dutch name. She's from Holland. But she wrote in Dutch, and she said, well, it's a very beautiful ephemera holder, Nathalie. I learn a lot from your videos and I like to be creative. Thank you for your inspiration. And I would love to win this beautiful project study and, well, use it to make my own projects. And of course, she added the hashtag LDA ephemera holder giveaway. So, please contact me so I can send you a huge journal. It's really huge. This is a big scissor, and as you can see, it is huge. But I really enjoyed working on it. Yeah, I have some plans for July. Well, and I also have some plans for August. But for July, we have challenges, and we have 4 weeks of challenges this time. Normally we have 3, but this time we have 4. And in August, I wanted to do some weekly challenges without winners drawings, just for fun, starting up. And I want to also get the admins involved. But as you may know, well, a lot of the admins are going through a rough period in their lives. And I'm not going to talk about their private situations. If they didn't tell in the Facebook group, then you don't know, but I know. And I have like 3 or 4 ladies struggling with health issues or family issues. They still do their admin thing as good as they can. And also, well, also the other ladies that are doing those admin jobs. And I feel like I sometimes forget to thank them. So if you agree with me that they do a great job, I would really appreciate it if you are a member of the LineDotArrow Facebook group by posting something that shows your appreciation, because I can post something and then you can all comment down that post and say, oh yeah, we agree. But I think it would be nice if you all wrote something to those admin ladies in the Facebook group to show your appreciation and what you like about having them in the group. It will support them. It will make them feel good. It will make them feel appreciated. And I can say I appreciate them, but they also do a lot of things for you. Not only for me, but for you too. So I think I would like them to read how you feel about them. So if you want to do that for me and for the admin ladies, I will be very grateful. It would mean the world to me, and I probably think it will mean the world to them too. Yeah, July. We are in July, and I'm working on my, I want to say Stacy Crafty Jam. That's not correct. I am working on my summer jam journal. And I got it over here. And the reason why I'm so confused, because it's the Two Sister Jam shop that has all the laces and papers for the retreat. That's the goodies. And then we have the digital that I created for the Two Sisters. And Stacy has a YouTube channel that is called Stacy's Crafty Gems. So that's why I was confused. In the previous video where I was working on the cover, someone asked me the measurements. And I think I have to say it in inches, but I'm going to say it in centimeters too. This is 24 centimeters. And in inches, it is I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm going to show you, because it's not 9.5, but it's this. And over here it is 15 centimeters by 6 inches, and the spine is 2 inches, and in centimeters that is 5 centimeters. And my pages fit, but I have A4 size papers. I print on A4 size, and in inches, well, in centimeters, that is 29.5 centimeters by 21, and in inches it is 11. Is it 3/4? I really don't know how to pronounce that. Well, I do know how to pronounce the words, but I don't know what it is. And this is 8.5 inch. And if you fold them, the pages, they will fit this journal perfectly. You can slide these underneath the elastic without ripping the pages. As you can see, there's room on top and on the bottom, because if you have it like really squeezed in, this is going to be ripped. You can have a workaround with the elastic by using a corner rounder if you need more space to wiggle. And I'm using a 4mm corner rounder, but what it does, it makes a tiny notch. I'm not sure how to say it. And then you can take it up a little higher, as you can see. So it does prevent from ripping a little. So just a little tip. Yeah. And then we have August, and I have to be honest, for August I had planned absolutely nothing. The plan was to do absolutely nothing, because I was so stressed out in June because I couldn't keep up with the pace, and then July came, but I had something scheduled that I have to do. I promised to do that, so I'm going to do that. And then I thought, well, if I'm going to do that, let's choose something in August too. But I'm also planning to do more giveaways. Not giveaways. What am I saying? It's very late. It's 11:30. It's almost midnight over here. I'm going to do more giveaways too, but I want to do a little weekly challenge things. And I want to do that together with the admins, like I said at the beginning. And they will, well, I'm not sure if they will start right away, because like I said, some have some issues going on, maybe also holidays, so they're not able to. But I'm going to start up in April. Oh, this is a great video. I'm going to start in August doing weekly challenges in the Facebook group, and it's not necessary I'm going to do a video on them all the time. I'm just going to say, okay, I have this, we can create this, and then you just can create whatever you have on your desk or in your stash, and just create for fun and to inspire others. And there will be no prize winners, but there also will be no kits that you have to use, or there freebies that you have to use. So you can use everything in your stash. And I hope that will create more buzz in the Facebook group with different projects showing different ways of using things we can all have in our stash. And it's just for fun. And if you don't want to join in, that's okay too. You don't have to, you're allowed to. And if you do, it would be great. So, and I want to invite the admins at a later stage. I already talked about them, about this with them. But like I said, they had so many issues going on, and I thought, well, maybe we can start in September doing this together with the admins, and I just do a little tryout in August myself. So yeah, the lady that won this, please text me. Tomorrow I will do a 3rd week challenge freebie presentation video. So, and it's a fun one. I'm really looking forward crafting with those little elements. And yeah, please leave a message in the Facebook group for the admin ladies and show them how much you appreciate all they do for you. And yeah, that would really mean the world to me. And I want to thank you all for watching. I'm very sorry about me rambling today. I can explain. My son is flying today from Greece with his girlfriend to Amsterdam airport. And there was a cyber attack, as you may know, because it was a worldwide attack. And they are delayed for more than 2 hours. And it's his first trip without us, with his girlfriend, also his first trip. And it's going well, of course, but as a mother, you are concerned and you want them to be safe and sound. And I don't like flying, so I'm very anxious when everybody around me is flying that I love. And they should be in the air already, but they just going to take off within, well, maybe half an hour. And I was so busy checking the times, and I'm a little mess today. So that's why my video is a little bit all over the place. But the bottom line is we have a winner. Please let the admins know how much you appreciate them in the Facebook group. And the third one is there's going to be challenges with the July freebies. And of course, there's a fourth one. I'm going to start challenges with random things you have in your stash, weekly challenges in the Facebook group. We did this in the past, and at some point we stopped because people were not really enjoying them anymore. But maybe it was at that time, maybe now it's a good thing. And if it goes well, we are going to include the admins because they are going to think of challenges and we are going to run them every week. Yeah, this is really it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.